Happy birthday, Donia.
Thank you.
Where are we? We are.
Mall of Hookah. YouTube channel. Bye.
She'll say hi and bye.
Every vlog is like that only. So, hi guys. So today, I think you saw the intro. So we had gone for shopping and everything, and Donia here, the shopping queen, yes, birthday girl, and we are actually here to give her a dinner treat. So
Birthday, Donia.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, we have reached here, Calicut Darbar. Hello. Hi guys. So this is also the owner of the restaurant.
Hi,
You want to say something?
welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Thank you. We're actually recurring customers, repeating customers. So let's go inside. We're going inside. आजा आजा अंदर आजा कम.
Yeah.
I'm not giving any
Look who is coming. This is Praveen from Bihar.
Hey, you should also be in my vlog these days.
Yeah.
So, Donia, how was the day?
Yeah, day was good. And
What you did whole day?
we went to Mall of Mukkam. This is the first time I'm going there with Mika and Praveen.
Oh, Praveen from Bihar.
Yeah, Praveen imported only from Bihar. He's such a irritating guy. I will show his face.
Today it was great.
How was the day?
It was great.
So we are at the
we went to
favorite
the
restaurant,
we came to the Donia favorite restaurant, which is Calicut Darbar. So she is giving us treat.
Am I giving the treat or you guys are giving me treat?
God.
I
Confusion still exists.
I thought you guys are giving
we
me
just
treat.
make a trap so that you'll come and you'll give. After having food, we'll pay that. We'll just run.
Yeah, so yeah, definitely. If Shantadas was there, if it would be more content, yeah, there would be more content. But yeah, let's see.
Shambhini to come. We're waiting for our friend Shambhini to join with
Yeah.
us. But she
Yeah, we're waiting, but we're not calling her. We're waiting, but we're not calling for her. We called her and told not to come. I'm joking. I'm joking. So yeah. So one specialty about this restaurant I've felt is that like why we come here, like why we are the repeated customers at this restaurant is like the warmth kind of we get in this restaurant, and I feel that is a lacking in many restaurants, and in fact the owner himself comes to take our order sometimes, which is beautiful.
The way they take order, the way they serve the food, it's really nice. Compared to other restaurant, I actually feel the way they serve the food. They'll ask, okay, if you want any other thing, they'll manage that. They have also made a student only section, whether if there's a student and they want in an economical section.
Very affordable.
So it's a better for us, for the student like us. Like we can have a food, dal, paneer and all. For a single person, I think it's the really best. And there's no other restaurant over here. They serve like this.
you
ordering?
okay? You wanted barbecue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you want?
Butter chicken also.
Hi. ठीक है. Okay. एक barbecue, एक butter chicken. What do you want?
I want one chicken seekh
Kebab. Okay. So okay, we need something like bread or something, right? So, where's the bread? Okay. I want garlic naan. We'll order one Siloni naan as well. तेरे को Siloni naan चाहिए ना? Like last time we ordered that. It was actually nice. So एक garlic naan, एक Siloni naan. That's it, right? So we'll order. Hi, we meet again. Okay. We're actually going for. This is Mike.
Hello.
By the way, the best memory of can I take some time?
Yeah.
The best memory of this is we were sitting over there, that side, and that videos are also coming. We celebrated Surya's birthday, so Ika was actually a part of that birthday, and he even gave a gift to Surya. After that, Surya and the whole gang, anywhere they go, like wherever they go, they'll come back, eat from here, and go back to hostel. So it's actually true. Like yesterday also, they went to some temple or something. That was somewhere else. They came back, ate here, and went. So, anyways, that's just a memory. So, that's the bonding we have. Anyways, because so we were going for one barbecue, one chicken sheikh kebab. Okay, and we were going for one butter chicken. And then for bread we wanted one garlic naan and one Siloni naan. Because we liked Siloni naan last time. And Allah with the cheese. It's too nice. We'll take that.
പിന്നെ ഞാനൊരു പുതിയ സാധനം കൂടെ ഉണ്ട്.
Okay.
ഒരു ബാർബിക്യൂ തന്നെ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്.
Okay.
മക്കിനി പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്.
Makhini.
ഡൽഹിയിൽ മാത്രം കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു സാധനമാണ്.
Delhi.
Okay.
Do you want to try
Yeah.
Makhini barbecue? Hey,
I've tried.
he used to live in Delhi.
I
Yes,
work
sir.
in Delhi and I love the food from Delhi.
ജുമാ മസ്ജിദ് ആ ഭാഗത്ത് കിട്ടുന്ന സാധനം. ഡൽഹി ജുമാ മസ്ജിദിന്റെ ഭാഗത്ത്.
I've also been to Delhi.
അസ്ലാം ചിക്കൻ അല്ല
Yeah, Aslam chicken. Especially Jama Masjid place.
Big fan.
സെയിം ഇപ്പോൾ ഇത് കഴിച്ചാൽ
Yeah.
യു ഓൾസോ
Okay. We love to
We
try
want
it.
it. We want it.
Seriously.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Seriously.
Okay, so
Have you tried Donia?
No, I haven't tried.
Yeah, if you'll try, you'll love it. Seriously. I have tried. I've tried.
And like
I think I'm very excited for this. So hopefully the food's going to be amazing. Let's go. So by that time, I want you to sing happy birthday for yourself. Go ahead.
happy birthday to me.
The shortest happy birthday song. No, I think Praveen will be singing better.
No.
Please sing for her.
She already sing for herself.
You sing for me.
Okay.
By that time, you sing it.
बार बार दिन गाए बार बार दिन गाए
जियो हजारों सा.
Okay, sing another song.
Donia, you should also sing.
I don't know the song.
It's birthday song.
It's a birthday song in a Hindi. Same like happy birthday to me. Donia, keep your phone.
Yeah. I'm having a cold, but I don't know how good it will be.
No, you try. We all having cold.
All of us are having cold. Donia gave it to Praveen. Then you also give it to Chandini. Chances are it will get copyright.
This girl is really excited, but she's feeling shy for the first time she's coming on vlog. No, second time. So, but
I will show
Big,
the silence first.
big information. Donia spent 1,000 rupees on cosmetics.
No,
Yes.
it is actually wrong. I spent 1,000 rupees for Mika and Praveen only for their makeup.
don't
And
even
Mika
put
bought one.
moisturizer.
Mika bought one makeup kit.
I don't even put moisturizer on my face.
Sandhini, I told her. to
Chandani advised Mika to buy that brand. Which brand?
I don't know.
Okay, sorry guys.
All I bought was an aloe vera gel to put on my hair, and that also didn't have any brand and all. It was just some khadi or something. natural thing. So yeah,
So that my voice is not good now.
it's okay. yaar.
After getting cure, I will definitely
You
sing.
can sing some easy songs like.
You sing one Malayalam song for us. I like his songs very much. He's a good singer actually. So one more song.
Thank you, yaar. But it's okay. It's your
And
birthday.
he joined music club also in NIT.
Oh yeah, I actually joined music club. I'm actually damn happy about that. That's a great thing.
Yeah,
And
one
for
sing
that
one
we
song.
need another treat
Yeah.
for music club.
And one more thing, our friend Praveen is going back to Bihar. So we need one more treat extra.
So guys, we are very much excited for the food. One more thing, the food actually comes very fast over here. So let's see. We're anticipating it at any moment. Hey, let's go. Oh wow. Oh ho, ho. Wow. This is the barbecue. Oh yeah. This is beautiful. This is Siloni naan. This is the barbecue chicken with the special makhni. She said it was beautiful. Really, I'm going to love it. I know it by seeing it. And this is the garlic naan. So let's get into it. Let's go. Thank you.
Make a space.
Let's try. Donia, please go ahead.
Sonia, don't feel shy.
Don't feel shy.
It's your birthday.
Yeah, Praveen.
Go ahead. Go ahead. May I interest you to piece of chicken? मैं हमारा प्रवीण के लिए
Wow. I'm so emotional.
प्रवीण के लिए ये है नहीं मेरा प्रवीण के लिए बेस्ट मैंने सेव किया बेस्ट फॉर द लास्ट नहीं बेस्ट फॉर द लास्ट पर्सन आई वांट टू ट्राई द ग्रेवी
The taste?
You want to try the gravy? Good. I'm going to try it. I actually like them, man. Here is our sheikh kebab, chicken sheikh kebab. Thanks.
Seriously, it's nice. Let me try first.
Go ahead.
I'll make video later.
I'll take it.
You can take reaction of Praveen.
It's actually so good, man.
Yeah, super.
I really like it. Like seriously good. The Siloni naan goes so good with the. How is it doing? Superb. Superb.
Really like.
Oh guys, we didn't go for the kebab. Did you see the kebab? Go ahead for the kebab. Let's go for the kebab. The kebab has one, man. Seriously. Kebab is too good. As usual. We've actually had the kebab. This one's new. And I want to have it with the sauce. Let's go with the makhni. Yes. I'm with the garlic naan right now with the makhni sauce.
How's the taste like?
I really like it, man. Seriously. Beautiful. here comes Praveen's favorite, butter chicken. Thank you. How is it? How is it? I want you to try this first. Really?
But I already have some stuff.
Try this.
Yeah. This is beautiful. This is like one of our usual kebabs. Kebabs, butter chicken and all. This is the new one.
Try butter chicken.
Wait a minute. How is the butter chicken?
Superb.
You like it?
Really superb. It's one of my favorite, but whenever I find a best butter chicken, my day is like superb.
Your cheese under the
Yes, Siloni naan has cheese. Yeah, you've tried this before. Siloni naan. You want to try the butter chicken? What's the butter chicken? Very nice. This guy is the butter chicken guy.
Lovely.
Literally finishing this chicken. Beautiful.
I thought
What do you like the most?
The chicken was definitely a surprise.
I love everything, but butter chicken is butter chicken.
Butter chicken definitely one of my top favorites. I go to a restaurant, I don't even look at the menu. I ask
Yeah.
for butter chicken.
For other thing you need to check, and but if you'll see butter chicken, okay, you'll be stuck. You want this one? Butter chicken.
I'm having everything.
You take it.
Hello.
Hi, we meet again. Hi. Dude, seriously, because then actually I have a flavor like barbecue and makhni. See, that was a twist. And again, actually we were fighting for this piece.
അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു.
We were fighting for this piece. Already See, we already finished the pizza. It's too- Yeah, all good. Yeah.
Rice, mandi rice.
No. They've got everything by the way. Anything you ask. So yeah, we're good actually. Thank you so much. So
I'm having butter chicken. Try to go all of that.
yeah, I really liked it.
Sonia, what do you need? You are full.
I'm satisfied by today's food.
But I'm sure if you try butter chicken, you'll eat more.
Yeah, I
Even you are
had
full.
butter chicken also. I had everything. I tasted it. Super good.
I'm also full, but still I wanna try. I can't just leave that butter chicken.
That's the creamier, right? Wonderful. Apparently, our homeboy needs more naan because he's going to complete this butter chicken.
Not complete, but yeah, Nika will finish. I'll take some of that.
So we'll order one more. Ika naan bito naan.
I'm giving you.
Indo? Yes, sir. Yes, please, homeboy. Wow. Thank you. Oh, my plate's a mess.
You are not well. Just keep the phone.
So, really enjoying that.
The gravy is too good.
I think Praveen is not leaving this butter chicken.
No, he's not leaving. We've ordered another naan by the way.
We ordered over. Yeah, but
Garlic naan.
garlic.
Yeah. We ordered garlic naan. And yes, we will finish it. For the vlog.
Praveen, which food do you like the most? Kerala.
Butter chicken.
Yeah, butter chicken is obviously
Other
everywhere.
than
That's
butter
not from Kerala.
Yeah.
Other than butter chicken, what do you like?
What is the prasad called?
Payasam.
Payasam. I like first payasam I had from Guruvayur. And after that we had in our college. Onam. Hey, Donia, try kebab. Try kebab. Hey, why you do that? You said you are hungry. I know you are just. I'm saying Shantini, they are missing you.
Shantini, if you're watching this, rest in peace. Every time we talk about Shantini, I just want to troll her, man. But seriously, we love you and we really miss you. Please,
We'll edit that about the roasting thing and we'll just keep.
Foodie.
I'm fed up with this foodie, guys.
Let's go.
Mika have a potential to be a chef. He can become a master.
In what?
He can become a judge for the master chef.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Love it.
No, seriously. See, if I don't like something, I will you can see it in my face.
Yeah, but you
Because-
express nicely.
because
I'm
lo-
not saying you are just exaggerating or anything. I'm
Yeah.
just saying
Because
if normally if you'll ask anybody,
Thank
they
you.
will say
You can actually ask Logopriya about this, by the way. Logopriya says that before I say anything, you can see the expression on my face.
yeah. The thing I'm saying, like mostly if you'll see people, they'll be like, oh, it's good. I love it. That will be the reaction. But some people are very expressive about it. Oh,
Yeah, if I like something, I'll be like, chicken, huh?
Yeah, this is how we all enjoy it. Everyone is playing.
I have literally.
Like, this is how they like.
lovely food. Yeah, almost over. It's done.
Kebab is only what's left. You want it?
You'll take half and half and finish it.
Yeah. I'll show you my half. Huh?
Arey nahi, kebab you eat. I'm just saying about this. Yeah, you can have.
I'm joking. You can't have it. Thank you. Mixed up everything. Wow.
We are done. Done. It's also done.
Beautiful food.
It was lovely food, actually. It was lovely food.
Beautiful.
Okay, let.
Great food. Thank you so much. So, how do we end the vlog? End the vlog. You can say bye to the vlog.
ഫുഡെല്ലാം ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നല്ലേ?
Wonderful food. Seriously, നല്ല food.
ഹാപ്പിയാണോ?
Very happy.
Truly.
All of us, we enjoyed the food. I think, see, this video is coming out. It was a birthday treat actually. So,
Birthday. Many happy returns for that.
Thank you so much.
So that's why we brought here itself. And beautiful food. Loved it. And I especially love the makhni, barbecue makhni. That was class. So
Tell to your friends also.
definitely. I will definitely tell all my friends. So we'll end the vlog. Okay. So you can say thank you and bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.